The Airbus A400M Atlas began development in 2003 and was first assembled in Seville, Spain. It made its first flight in December 2009 as a heavy-duty military transport aircraft. Dimensions and weight: length, 45 meters. Wingspan, 42 meters. Empty weight, 76.5 tons. Maximum takeoff weight, 141 tons. Payload capacity, 37 tons of cargo. Performance and fuel economy: fuel capacity, 63,000 liters, 50.5 tons. Range, 3,300 kilometers. Full load, to 6,400 kilometers, 20 tons. Speed, Mach 0.72, 890 kilometers, h. And most importantly, the price. The price per unit is in the range of 150 to 180 million euros, or the equivalent of 2.5 to 3 trillion rupiah. These are the main specifications